Alright, today I'm going to be assembling and using this smoke detector that I got off of Amazon. Yep. First off, it comes with a couple of attachments. The main hose here. This connects to the back of the unit. And then this, I guess, connects to your little fittings, like this one here for like vacuum hoses, or this larger one here that you can, well, I'm going to be putting into the intake tubing to see if I have a vacuum or a boost leak. And then the power cable connects back here and connects to battery. And then there's some other, I guess, caps here. Oh shit. Some caps here to like block off tubing and piping. Yeah. Got a hook right here that goes on the top. Spin it in place. And then you can just like hang it off. And then be able to work on the car. But yeah, let's set this up here. Alright, so I guess the way this hose goes in, it came in with this little connector here, a little fitting here. You put the hose, it's better. You slip part of the fitting over the hose, and then you slip the fitting into the nipple, and then you tighten it. That way it doesn't come loose. You don't have any leaks out here. I'm pretty sure you just have to be finger tight. So there it goes. Now I just need to add some mineral oil, or they're also suggesting baby oil in here to get it going. Alright, so the instructions call for 20 milliliters of mineral oil or baby oil. So I filled the little deal here with 45 milliliters, and I'm just gonna add the 20 in here. Alright, so that should be 20 milliliters there. And I'm just gonna close this and connect it to the car. Alright, so got the power cord connected to the back of the unit. Positive, it runs off battery power, so positive to positive and negative to negative. There you go. And it's starting to make some noise. So I got the plug here in the intake, but let's see how this actually works. Oh, there you go. See it? Pressurize the system and see where the leaks are, if there's any. Found my leak. Alright, so overall, this leak detector is pretty cool. I believe it pushes out like 11 psi. I'll look it up and I'll put it up on the screen, whatever. But yeah, no, this really helped find that vacuum leak. Kind of figured it was a vacuum leak because I had gone through wiring. Because the car would stall out when I would start it up with the MAF plugged in. I would unplug the MAF. But then I just ran out of time. A lot of stuff happened, and the car had to sit in in storage for a bit until now, and I was able to figure it out. So this definitely works. Good product. Does build up pressure in the tubing intake system. I did it on the GTI to see if I had any leaks on that car. None. But when I would hold the little nozzle in, after a few seconds, it would just shoot out because of the pressure that was building. So it's a good review on it. Definitely recommend if you want something cheap. I think it was like, don't quote me on this, like 50-60 bucks. I'll also put that up. But it is cheap and effective. So I'll be doing more reviews on other stuff I buy off Amazon. So if you found this informative, like and subscribe. Thanks.